Kauke gwengo eni jakoma put mar some duol mar Gavana mabende en Gavana ma Kericho Eric Mutai onyiso migao mar omenda mondo neni gimiyo sikunde thuolo mokuongo e kinde ma gipogo omenda kowacho ni weche mag somo onego mi pek kaka dwarre. Kaolose nyasi e skund sekondar manyiri ma Kipsigis kamano yore gi jatend jotij piny owacho Felix Koskei. Gavana wacho ni chiwo omenda e wangsa biro jiwo weche mag somo e skunde mopogore opogore kendo neno ni chenro mag skunde ringo maonge ng'ikruok.
Principals will serve a lot if capitation don't get to schools on time. They have a huge number of BOM teachers they need to pay. It is my belief that we are going to have conversation so that capitation will be treated as fast charge in the same manner that we are paying banking bills. And each time we are dispatching as government, we'll be able to dispatch capitation in good time.
When we had that, the capitation for exams is not in the budget. That one is going to deny students from poor families to sit for exams. I ask that it be reinstated.
The government is committed and very keen to ensure that our children, those who are in school, those who are in colleges, those who are in research institutions, play their role adequately well for the